I'm going to show you how to create and reset your Kingsley Lockbox. Pretty simple to do. First thing you want to do is open your Lockbox. So in this case, this is all 555 codes all the way down. Again, you want to line, the key is to line top to bottom, right, on this line. And once you do that, you lift it up and lock it. Next thing you want to do is you want to have this at 90 degrees. You see that notch there? You want that notch right there, and you press it down. You can feel it when you press it down. Turn counterclockwise left. Once you turn counterclockwise left, you feel where it stopped. Go ahead, reset, or change your code. In this case, we're going to do 4. Again, you got to make sure you line up top to bottom on this line. So here it's all 4. Once you do that, turn it clockwise back to the 90 degree and lift it up, and you have reset it. And go ahead, close it, and let's test it out. I'm gonna reset here. Okay, now let's test it out. 444. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple.